Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of personal finance with some incredible budgeting tips and strategies. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you take control of your money. So let's get started. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Well, fret no more. We got some game-changing budgeting tips that will transform the way you manage your money. Tip number 1. Track your expenses. It's essential to know where your money is going each month. Start by creating a comprehensive list of all your expenses, from rent and bills to groceries and entertainment. By tracking your expenses, you'll gain a clear picture of your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Tip number 2. Set realistic financial goals. Budgeting becomes much more effective when you have clear objectives in mind. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, setting realistic goals will keep you motivated on your financial journey. Tip number 3. Embrace the power of cash envelopes. This budgeting technique involves allocating a specific amount of cash to different spending categories. By physically separating your money into envelopes, you'll have a tangible representation of your budget. It's a great way to control your spending and avoid going overboard. Moving on to tip number 4. Prioritize your expenses. Not all expenses are created equal. Take a close look at your list of expenses and determine which ones are essential and which ones can be trimmed down. Remember, cutting back on unnecessary expenses can free up extra cash that can be used for savings or investments. Last but not least, tip number 5. Stay disciplined and flexible. Budgeting is a journey, and it's okay to make adjustments along the way. Be mindful of your spending habits, stay committed to your financial goals, and be open to adapting your budget as circumstances change. Remember, it's all about finding a balance that works for you. And there you have it, folks. Our top budgeting tips and strategies to help you take charge of your finances. By implementing these techniques, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and personal finance advice. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, we'd love to hear from you. Share your budgeting success stories or any additional tips in the comments below. Together, let's build a community of financially savvy individuals. Until next time, keep budgeting, keep saving, and keep growing. Take care, and see you in the next video.